So today I'm making a video on tattoo removal. So we were all young and stupid, kabhi na kabhi to. So in that youth and stupidness, my beautiful colleague, she got this done and now she wants to get this removed. So how excited are you?
So much.
So
I'm
much
very excited, yes.
okay. So the first step is to apply numbing cream on this so that the procedure is as painless as possible. So this is a topical numbing cream. So we are applying a thick layer. Now the important point is that it should be thick. It should be 1.5 to 2 millimeter thick. Otherwise it doesn't work. Apply more. So we apply this numbing cream, leave it for 45 minutes to 1 hour, and then we start our procedure.
Correctly.
So since how many years you have these tattoos?
7 years.
7 years. Okay. So you always wanted to get them removed?
Yes.
Like what? Okay. So it was spur of the moment that you got all of this done.
Yeah.
So this is under occlusion, the numbing cream. It works better if we put this cling film on. And now we wait for an hour to do the procedure. Now she is all numb. We are removing the numbing cream. What do you feel?
Good.
Heaviness or anything there?
No.
Nothing?
No.
Take it. Just cleaning. We have removed the numbing. And now I'll start the procedure. You have to keep your eyes closed, okay?
Okay.
And so today is her first sitting. So the power is low. She won't feel much.
Jesus.
Okay, I'm starting.
Yes. Yeah.
So always apply the numbing properly, because even after the numbing there is a little bit of pain, you know. So what if we don't apply numbing then? It will hurt a lot.
Ma'am. It's good, ma'am, in first one. Hey.
Not completely.
Yeah.
We will do a second sitting.
Yeah.
So yes, that is important.
Yeah.
Sittings are needed. It's
Yeah.
not a one sitting job, tattoo removal.
Okay.
And ideally we should space the sittings by let's say 2 to 3 months actually.
Okay.
So these tattoo pigments, they break into pieces. Then our body के जो macrophages cells होते हैं, they eat the broken pieces and then they take them away.
Yeah.
They take the broken pieces away from the site. So it takes 2 to 3 months for the result of single sitting to be, you know, seen. Such kind of air bubbles, it should be there. ये whitening जो हो रही है, this should happen.
Okay.
अभी पेन बिल्कुल नहीं हो रहा, लग रहा है हंसी आ रही है सबको.
ये हंस रहे हैं मेरे को देखिए.
जो टैटूज दो तरीके से डिवाइड होते हैं, एमेचर टैटूज एंड प्रोफेशनल टैटूज.
Okay.
So amateur tattoos are tattoos which are made ऐसे कोई amateur person जब बनाता है. Like the tattoo that you have is an amateur tattoo.
Yeah.
Professional tattoos are made by professional tattoo artists. They are a little deeper in the skin and they are a little difficult to remove. So more sittings will be needed for professional tattoos. Lesser number of sittings are needed for amateur tattoos. And yes, So you see there are areas where it's much whiter, then there are areas जहाँ पे कम white हुआ है. तो ये एमेचर टैटू है. यहाँ पे इंक सुपरफिशियल है, यहाँ पे इंक डीप है. तो जहाँ पे इंक सुपरफिशियल है वो जल्दी जल्दी ब्रेक हो रहा है और ज़्यादा ये वाइट हो रहा है, और जहाँ पे इंक डीप है वहाँ पे कम हो रहा है. सो दैट्स द डिफरेंस. एक लेवल पे टैटू इंक नहीं है. तो जो प्रोफेशनल टैटू होता है वो एक लेवल पे होता है और हमेशा डीप होता है. Pause. Now post procedure we need to apply a steroid ointment because there will be inflammation. Something like betamethasone is appropriate, and also we can ask the patient to apply a mild steroid at home for 3 days, and the next sitting will be after 2 to 3 months. So bye, tata, bye bye, bye. How was your experience?
Nice.
Nice?
Yeah.
Too painful?
Not much, little.
Little painful, okay.
Yeah.
Good then. Bye, we'll meet you after 2 months now.